guys, this is Katie with the channel Weather Shaman. Welcome if you're new, and a big hello to my returning subscribers. Today I have a 31 unboxing for you. Now 31 is the name of an amazing company that sells beautiful customizable bags. And I just recently ordered my first bag through 31 through consultant Lindsey Bolejack, and I'm going to put her website in the description box below if interested at the end of this video. And I thought that it would be exciting for you to see what it's like for me to unbox this for the first time and my reaction and the details of the bag. I made a custom made bag with a unicorn because I love unicorns. They're like my spirit animal. And I got my initials engraved in it, KBC, for Caitlin Brooke Costa. And I've never had a customized bag before, ever. So I'm super excited to share this with you. I can put my crystals in this bag and my angel card decks and all of my little Reiki energy healing tools so I can carry it around with me. I am super excited. So go ahead and sit back, relax, and enjoy as I unbox this. Cool. Looks like I got another catalog that came at the top of the box, 31, and there's some amazing pictures and bags and designs in here. And looks like at the end of the catalog it explains how to customize certain things on the bags, which is really cool. So very descriptive. I got that. And the receipt and a really sweet thank you note. Now getting to the oh, it came out so cute. Okay. So this is what the bag looks like. Here's the unicorn. And there's my initials. It came in this extra protective packaging. Ooh, it has a little Ziploc up here. That's pretty cool. So it's a rezippable plastic baggie. That's neat. Cool. Oh, I'm so excited. This is awesome. It looks so cute and stylish. Oh, this is awesome. And it's super spacious. So this is the unicorn design that I chose. There were so many different like emoji type things you could choose from. So I choose the unicorn, and I decided to choose these 3 letters. And there were a ton of fonts I get to choose from. I chose this font because it was really fun. I think it was called Fun Dots or something. So it says KBC, and I was able to choose a color to select it however I wanted to. And what I love about this, look at all the pockets, guys. You can put like your cell phone in here. You can put in anything you want, keys. Actually, I think I read somewhere that there is a key clip on here. Yeah, there is, right here on the side. You can clip your keys right there. That is so convenient. And you can put your phone in there, your wallet there. You could put a laptop in here. You can use this as a study school bag, or you can just put in fun stuff. Like I'm going to use it probably for my Reiki energy healing and crystals and things like that. And there's a zipper pocket in here too, which is super cool. And this is really good quality stitching too. You can tell by the way it feels. So I am super excited about this bag. And putting it on my shoulder, this is about the size it is. This is perfect. It's pretty stylish and trendy. And I believe that it's called the Metro bag, or I can't remember the exact name of it, but it's something Retro Metro bag. That's what it's called on here. So I chose the Retro Metro bag with the color powder pink, and the font that I chose is Fun Dots and unicorn design. So if you're interested and you would like to select one of these customized awesome bags with a spirit animal, like my unicorn, check out the description box below. I'll put Lindsey Bolejack's name and her website so you can check it out. She's got a lot of cool stuff on there. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful, lovely, blessed rest of the day. Sending an abundance of peace, love, and light from me to you. Namaste.